Welcome back to another banger video, and in this video we are going to talk about three skills that if you learn in your teenage years, it will give the best return on investment of your life. Okay, and this is not a crazy thing to implement, but if you just implement it from today, this will eventually change your life. Okay, so let's get into the first skills, which is learn how to optimize your environment. This is important because you are reflected by your environment. Okay, the if I have to judge you, then I will just look at your environment, how it is. If it is properly managed, if it is clean, then I know you are a guy who just want to remain organized and wants their life to improve. Like this, it's just personality. Like if you optimize your environment, then I think this is something that has to be learned by everybody else, because I have seen so many guys who are thinking like, I have this crazy idea, new business share, and many things like which you cannot even imagine, and they're like, let me see your environment. I'm like, let me see your environment, like, I'm done. That is the kind of environment they have. Like, so focus on optimizing your environment, like clean your room, give the best design of your room, optimize lighting, everything. Like whenever someone enters in your room, it should feel like, wow, this is something different, this guy has something different. Like, it feels great when people tell that. And whenever you are coming from work or anything, and when you enter your room and you see like your room is so organized and you feel so productive, like that is a productivity hack. Okay, that will eventually give you an extra bounce of energy. It's like a caffeine. Okay, so learn fucking how to optimize your environment, and this is something that I have implemented recently. Okay, and this is working out so efficiently. So do this thing after this video. Okay, and second thing is learn how to communicate with the people, because communication is everything. If you can communicate with someone with a nice persuasion, then it will they can hire you. Like, communication is something I think everybody should learn in this modern generation, because the more we are growing, like, the less we have to talk in this generation, because we don't need any conversation to get anything done. If we want to order food, in one click it is getting into your house. If you want something, any other things, then you can just get one click in your phone and it is right into your house. Okay, so conversation is decreasing every single day because of this modern technology, and it is good if you use it in a right way. It is good, but you need to communicate to get the real value, to get the real information. And in whenever I think most of the people who are watching this video is teenagers and in their early 20s. But if you when you grow later on in your life, you just have to go and talk to the people if you want to be hired, or if you want to hire someone. That is the biggest skill you can. This is a simple skill, but which will impact in a big thing. Okay, which will impact massively. And second, okay, learn how to communicate with people. I'm not good at it. I'm still learning. I'm also a teenager, and I'm improving day by day. Like, if you just wanna, like, this is a extra tips for you guys. If you want to improve your communication skill, then this 30-day challenge, like, record yourself in a camera and talk about any topic you are good at. And like, just, you don't need crazy device, crazy camera and mic. Okay, just like keep your mobile aside and talk about any topic for like 10 to 15 minutes and see how you are growing to get day by day, how your communication improves day by day. Okay, So third thing is a little bit of different than these two, and that is learn one hard skills and become master at it. Because this is the reality. We have come to a generation where you are valued by your skill set, you are valued by what you can do, what you can provide to this generation. And if you don't have any value to provide in this generation, then I think you're a waste of time. These two habits which I just told recent, like wait just a minute before, that will not work out for you, because they will judge you on the basis of your value, and this is the reality. So learn, it could be anything, and I am not telling that you should be master it day one. Like, you just have to pick one skills. That can be video editing, graphic design. There are so many skills you can learn, and with just from YouTube I have learned for me it is video editing, which I have just started learning, and I'm learning it completely free from YouTube. And there are so many resources that you can learn the skills, and I have seen so many people just learning the skill from the YouTube, and they're monetizing it now. So learn one skills which will eventually create a source of income for your future, and you not only make the income, you know how the process look like, what it takes to win. You get through those journey. Like, whenever you learn the skills from zero, you are in a journey. So if you just go through the journey, then you will learn so many things about life. It's not only about skills, it's not only about learning that one skill. It will teach you so many things, okay, which I cannot tell right now. If I tell those learnings right now here, you'll not understand it. But if you just implement it day by day, and if you go through the process and implement every single day, then you will learn, you will get that knowledge from there, and you will understand there how it can change your life, how it is to be on journey. So nothing to tell but focus on learning one thing. Like, you don't have to learn 10 things at a time, but just daily basis set a timer and focus, like get one deep work on mastering one hard skills. If you are busy, like just 1 hour a day, 20 minutes a day, I don't care, but be so focused at that time that you have to learn one skills, okay, one skill. And I think we have come to the end of the video. So peace out and grind hard.